Armenia, nestled in the Caucasus, offers breathtaking landscapes and a rich, ancient history. From towering mountains to verdant valleys, this land is a treasure trove of cultural gems. Join us on an unforgettable aerial adventure. Soar above iconic landmarks and hidden wonders, revealing their secrets. Discover the beauty and history of this remarkable country. This is Armenia as you've never seen it. Our journey begins with a breathtaking ascent, carrying us towards the majestic peak of Mount Ararat. This colossal snow-capped mountain dominates the Armenian skyline, its dual peaks piercing the heavens at over 5,000 meters. Revered as a sacred mountain in Armenian culture, Mount Ararat holds profound significance. Legend tells us that it was upon these very slopes that Noah's Ark found its final resting place after the Great Flood, as recounted in the Bible. While Mount Ararat is currently located within the borders of Turkey, it remains an enduring symbol of Armenia, its image woven into the fabric of the nation's identity and forever etched in its heart. From the heights of Ararat, we journey to the Garni Temple, a solitary sentinel of Armenia's Hellenic past. Dating back to the 1st century AD, it stands as the only Greco-Roman colonnaded structure in Armenia, a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient civilizations. Our drone carries us into the rugged Armenian landscape, where the cliffs of the Azat River Gorge conceal the Geghard Monastery. This UNESCO World Heritage Site emerges from the rock face, a marvel of medieval ingenuity. Carved into the mountainside, it exemplifies Armenian rock-cut architecture. Its chapels, adorned with intricate carvings, whisper ancient devotion. The air hums with a sacred presence, echoing centuries of prayer. From the rocky embrace of Geghard, we ascend once more, our drone carrying us towards a shimmering expanse of blue Lake Sevan. Nestled amidst the Armenian highlands like a sapphire in a crown of peaks, Lake Sevan is one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world. As our drone glides over the lake's surface, the vastness of this natural wonder unfolds before our eyes. The serene waters, reflecting the azure sky above, seem to stretch endlessly towards the horizon. Take a moment to appreciate the tranquility of this remarkable landscape, a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna and a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. Our journey takes us to the edge of a dramatic precipice where the Tatev monastery perches on the cliffside. This 9th century monastery defies gravity, offering breathtaking views of Vorotan Gorge. The wings of Tatev cable car, the world's longest reversible cableway, connects visitors to this historic treasure. Our aerial adventure through Armenia comes to an end, but the memories we've created will last a lifetime. From the soaring heights of Mount Ararat to the tranquil waters of Lake Sevan, we've witnessed the captivating beauty and rich history that this remarkable country holds, but Armenia's treasures are best experienced firsthand. We invite you to embark on your own journey of discovery, to explore this ancient land and to create your own unforgettable memories amidst its stunning landscapes and historical wonders. If you've enjoyed this virtual voyage, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more captivating travel content. Until next time, keep exploring.